Welcome back to the channel, guys. You won't be seeing Flippy in this episode, but you will see something nicer.
Ja, kijk maar, ik start voor de video, ik zie. Kazi. Oh, I got that cover as well. Bruh.
It's gonna swing for.
As a golf distributor. Points. UK, I was eat your heart out. You didn't get this. Wow. Probably is a Kazi. My first ride in the sport. Man, look here, I can't shake us. You say they all smell like us?
Yep.
Wait, so 32 carb or?
This one's 32, 36 in GV. 1365 pistons.
So the 1300 pistons was now the flat tops.
Just it's got a smaller combustion chamber than the 1600.
So wait, but so it does push up the compression a little bit.
Takes your compression ratio from 9 to 1 to 10 and a quarter to 1.
So, look here, see there's very little play on the gear lever itself, like it's very snug, like.
Yeah, it's still cold.
Look here, the attention you give when you're driving, I think.
Look, it's not fast, but it's fun.
Yeah, probably young and old. On average, like if you have to take it out of town, the amount of offers you get.
I actually don't get offers on it anymore. They leave me alone now.
Look here, wait, so I'm actually forgetting why it took me for a ride though, so you can.
So you can feel the suspension.
Yeah, nah, look here.
It's plain and simple and it just works.
I want to know one thing. How come they never fix the steering? For those that don't know, the steering is slightly to the right and it slanted to the right as well, eh? To the driver's side.
It's offset to
That's
the...
off. Why didn't they put like another link in at the bottom and keep us straight?
To be honest, we don't know. We think they probably wanted to save on production costs. But,
Yeah.
they fix it in the Mark 3.
Yeah. Wait, where was you with this?
Yeah.
I didn't even know that, bro.
No, it's popular anyway.
So everything in this thing is sport, spec,
Yeah.
everything.
Apart from that.
Apart from that, yeah. Does the clock actually work?
It does.
What's I need this though. Mine doesn't have that in. So this is the. Oh, one thing I wanted to know. Everything on the GL is the trimmings are chrome. Here the trimmings are black. I'm talking about the outside.
Yeah.
No.
Sport, everything is black.
Besides from the engine, what makes a Ken to Ken? I mean, the 1600 Sport Ken, the 1600 Sport. I mean, the GL has also comes out with a branch.
Branch and exhaust. That's the only difference that mechanically between a Sport and the what do you call it? Die mense wil praat.
As maak ou snak the what's his name is gears man. And that's prime example that Owens like, especially the older generation, they appreciate. We appreciate, bro. Oh, one thing I want suspension wise, I had for a brief moment, I had the Kinder. I saw the back has the stabilizer bars. What else is it? What else is different on the
But thicker interior bars in front. And
Cassis? Hey, Cassie? 175 50 13s.
I just said that a 22mm anti-roll bar in front opposed to the 19mm, and then the stabilizer bar at the back.
Yes, like this thing is solid, man. Woo! This is why we like old school, ne? So Warren actually gave me permission to move the car. Holy shit, I'm nervous. Don't come here now. I want to park him there. Yeah, I can't believe I'm driving a Sport. I'm gonna park it just here. Hopefully the battery lasts, so I can take some cinematics home.
Let's do some Ride-O-Matics.
Look, what ain't no way I made a way. Carved my lane, I paved the way. Drew it up nice, I made the play. What a good day to get paid today. What ain't no way I made the way. Carved my lane, I paved the way. Drew it up nice, I made the play. Ball on the fuck, nigga, fade away. Hey, hey. Ball on the fuck, nigga, fade away. Hey. Ball on the fuck, nigga, fade away. Hey. Ball on the fuck, nigga, fade away. Hey. Ball on the fuck, nigga. Nigga on my mama. I'ma need all them commas. Tell them I'll start that drama. Long term smoke like an all day summer. Fry with the fucks on none. Feeling like fuck my lungs. And I'm feeling like fuck y'all too, man. I don't care.
I love the sound. And yes, you're so correct. These are center dome, what do you call it? Center lock wheels. Yeah, I'm looking for a set of tires like these. Thanks for that, Mr. Corky. Thanks for that, Warren. Appreciate it, guys.